Let's go, guys. Hello. I'm really sorry, guys, but welcome back. It's because my sister called and the video cut. So I'm sorry, guys. Right now. Amino. Dame una Shut. Échate. Yeah, guys. I'm going to finish the mission. Échate, Shadow. Échate. This is one of my dogs. Got bit, like really bad, and I'm like taking care of her. But I'm also playing, you know. Oh my god, sorry guys. 1 minute of nothing interesting. Really sorry. Yeah, it's also raining. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's raining right here where I am. And my mission right now was to take out these guys. Oh no, what? Yeah, I want to give them a proper space to like everyone. And I need to go for the armadillos also. So I'm gonna check that out. That's a lame jump. But at least I got it. Okay, so alright. Nice, okay. Oh, sorry, man. That wasn't on purpose, guys. And we will go to town of leaves. We got this. We've got sugar cane. We got dirt. We've got we got red sand. We got black wool. Black wool. We got this. We got this. Oh, we've got wood. Now, I don't know what else, man. Okay. Yeah, sticks. I think that was here, right? Got meat. Yep, now I need to go for my armadillos. Look, more horsies. Let's go. Prefer this one. Yeah. This one's quick. Yeah, I like this one. Nice. Okay. Where's the other one? There he is. Hello, spirit. Okay. Nice.